Welcome to Conicelli Hyundai. We ship genuine OEM Hyundai parts straight from our dealership to your door. Meet the 2022 to 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe cargo front and rear floor mats, a complete set that lines your cabin and cargo area to shield the interior from dirt, water, and everyday mess. These fit the 2022 and 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe, including popular trims like the SE, SEL, Limited, and Calligraphy. Your Hyundai Santa Fe's cargo and floor area takes constant abuse from boots, spills, and shifting gear, and these mats form a custom-cut barrier that keeps it off your original carpeting. That protection matters because once factory carpet stains or wears through, replacing it costs far more than the mats ever would. Genuine Hyundai mats are molded to your 2022-2023 Santa Fe's exact floor and cargo contours and color match to your interior, so they lock in place and look factory. Fitment generic mats can't match. Browse our full catalog of Hyundai parts, every one genuine OEM, backed by the factory warranty, a fitment guarantee, and fast shipping. Not sure if this part fits your vehicle? Give us a call with your VIN ready and we'll confirm the right part for you. You'll find your VIN on the dashboard, the driver's door jamb, or your registration card, 17 digits that identify your exact vehicle. Shop with Conicelli Hyundai, where you get genuine parts every time. Don't settle for aftermarket.